To the another video of Jira series, where we are going to discuss today the difference between the condition and the validator. This is most commonly asked questions if you are new to the Jira administrator, and if you are appearing for the interview as well. This is very important questions. Let's see that what's the main difference between these two. So condition is something which you want that you should able to do the particular transitions. In that case you will be going to use the condition. But if you want that before moving from one transition or one status of the issue to the another, there should be some field that should be mandatory put into. In that case you will be going to use the validator. There is one more difference between these two is, in the condition you could not be able to see the transitions if you are not allowed to do the transitions, but in validations you can able to see the transitions, but you will be seeing the error message coming coming onto the screen. I will show you. Let's see. Creating one ticket, the simple ticket. Just to show you that, I'm clicking on create. This is test, and then let's see, I am creating, and you can able to see there is no error message. I can able to create the issue. I am clicking here on this issue and changing the status from open to in progress, and it allow me to make the changes from open to in progress. Now I am applying the validator and will create a new ticket to show you. Okay guys, so I am going to the project settings, going to the workflow, going to the diagram mode. Click on the edit option at the top, click on in progress, and I am applying the validator here. Let's say click on validator, and I want the field required validators. Let's say click on the add option, and I'm choosing the instance type because this is the custom field I have created, and I want that before user moves from open to in progress, this instance type custom field should be mandatory field out. So let's say instance type is mandatory. And click on the add option, publish the draft. I am not taking the backup copy because every time if I take the backup, it will obviously consume some space on my instance, and at the end of the day there would be a lot of such draft will be collected. So if we are sure that whatsoever changes you are going to do, that then definitely you should not take the backup copy. But if you are not sure, or you want to revert back the changes, then definitely you should go for the backup one. So now I have applied the validator over here. I am going to create a ticket. So just click on create task, and then I am creating one more test ticket, test 2, and you see that there is an instance type. I am not giving any value over here. Simply click on create, and I can see that my issues has been created. Now this is in the open state because I have applied the validator over the from open to in progress transitions. I am now moving this to the in progress, and you can able to see that my transition is still my status is open, and I am getting the message transition field instance type is mandatory. Now what I am going to do is, let's see, I am giving the value as production instance. Click on save, and then if I make the changes, it will allow me to make the changes to in progress. So this is the example of the validator. Now let's discuss about the condition. In the condition, let me open that workflow again. I'm going back to the workflow. Guys, here click on the edit, and let's say that I can be able to see this awaiting approval this awaiting approval transitions only if I am into the particular group. So I will put a condition here. Add condition, and then let's say user is in group, add, and choose the group from here. Access approval Okay, so let's say user should be in the approval group. Click on the approval and then click on add. Okay guys, so all the users who are in the approval group only can able to see this transitions. Which transitions? From in progress to awaiting approval. Now to show you, I will open the approval group here. So let me open the user management and the approval group, and I will show you that what all user is been added there. Okay, in the approval group here I can see that there is one user added, test1. Okay, so only the test1 user should be able to see these transitions and not the any other user. Now I will, after making the changes, I will simply publish the draft, and as already said, I will not going to take the backup copy of this. Click on publish. Again I am going to create the ticket. Okay, and let's say test, and this time I am going to provide the value over here, development environment. Click on the create. Okay, now my issues has been created. Now I am allowed to move to the in progress transitions. Okay, after in progress transitions I can able to see the done transitions. Okay, because I am only the user who is in the approval group can able to see the next transitions. For that, what I am going to do is I am showing you one more tab. This tab, I'm not sure. Okay, let me log it out from here. Okay, and log into the another account, this time test account. And not sure. So this was the project, and I had created the issue, the test 21. I hope this is the latest issue which I just created now. Let me open this, and if I see here, I can able to see the awaiting approval transitions. I could not be able to see these transitions when I was logged in with the another account, because only the approval group should be able to see these transitions and not the any other user. Okay guys, hope this video makes sense to you. You learned something new today, and if you have any other query, just put in a comment below and I will try to answer that. Thank you so much guys.